The car's sickened now, so I guess we'll show it to you.
Without further ado, the car, it's got pink eye, it's infected. You know what, pink eye? It might be the shit. That's how you get pink eye sometimes, because it might be the shit. And we'll talk more about it. Without further ado, you guys want to do this? You guys want to see this car? Yeah. Are you ready to see a vehicle deemed infected? It is a 1970 Barracuda, customized by Ringbrothers, 800 plus horsepower. Make some noise for Infected, built by Ringbrothers out of Wisconsin. What a crazy homage. You're looking at this. I mean, it looks like a modern vehicle, but has the old school lines. I mean, you guys really gussied it up. And again, we call it infected, or you call it infected, and why is that?
Well, actually, the gym came up with the name. We really wanted to paint it pink. We had to convince George. Luckily, he let us do it. And then when we built it, it had a red eye in it, and Jim said we should have called it pink eye as far as the motor. So that's kind of where the pink eye, and then of course you're infected if you've got pink eye. So that's where it all came. And there's a lot done to this car, even though it looks
part of the Ringbrothers family. Make some noise. Here we go. It is Vader, built by Ringbrothers, the Grand National icon. Holy banana cakes. Wow. You got dessert before you got dinner. This thing is so sweet. Holy cow. All right. Jim, look at, again, HRE, such a great partner of yours. BASF, I assume that you guys have worked with BASF for a long time, you know, Infected. We're about to see another vehicle of yours. Again, it's a label sandwich, Ringbrothers bread. Speaking of bread, this thing looks beautiful. I'm sure it costs some bread. Vader, the inspiration. What are you most excited about taking this G-body? Like I said, some people think this car is an ugly duckling, but it is a swan, baby.
Yeah, there wasn't a lot of these cars built, so it's, you know, it's hard to believe find one and change it. But, these are iconic cars, and I think it's really cool that it's stuck with a V6. And, you know, basically the whole package is, everything's been really touched on the car, but it still lends itself to a 87 Buick Grand National.
And I apologize, INVADR, not Vader. I was just, you know, took off my helmet there and revealed I am the father. This is my car. As we are. I know, it's a marathon, not a sprint, guys. It's Tuesday. Are you ready to see TUKA? What a time! Took a lot of money, and now you get to see TUKA up close and personal. What a cool freaking car. Again, the interior. Look at this. The wheels. Why this wheel in particular? Again, HRE is such a good partner of Ringbrothers, but do you have these on other cars in this model?
The whole premise of this car was to take the 72 Blazer and modernize it to what it may look like today if it came off the assembly line. It actually started out as it was going to be a pre-render format, and it changed into this format here. So it is a Toyota front end because we wanted independent full front suspension on the four-wheel drive. There's a lot of aftermarket parts available, and